Good morning! Naghilamos lang tayong saglit kasi si Len, yung maghatid ng ating luggage from Cavite, nandito na nasa baba na. 10:29 na. Ibibigay ko to sa kanila. Si Jan na ulit sa baba. Come on! Wala tayong lipstick. Okay na yan. Kapaba na ko nito. Careful. Not touch. Kayo lang tatlo? Ay, yung kaya narinig ko, sabi niya yung nagkahol yung dog. Kasi ko parang may Bicolano. Hello po. Hindi mo sila pinisin ito. Yeah. Okay. Buti nakuha nyo agad, Len. Saan yun to, oh? Raisin bread. You're welcome. Si Jen tsaka si Holly nandun sa baba. Kasama sila Len. Kami, akyat natin yung ating mga gamit. Gagamitin namin yung parang special elevator nila. Priority. Okay na, kuya? Just put that, insert it, Sak. Insert it. Yes. No. Other way, Zaki. Okay. And tayo. Come on sa kuya. Just put on that side, Sak, for now. Maybe that side. Careful. Hello, Han.
Hey, you down yet?
Yeah, we're just sorting out the suitcase.
I'll grab your sunnies.
Where's your sunnies?
Yeah, where the keys were.
Alright, okay, bye. Thank you, kuya. Mayroon pa? Wala na? Okay, thank you. Okay, bye. Nakapag flash on ng saglit. Pinakuha rin ni Jan yung sunnies niya. Ayun siya. Pupuntahan pa raw sila kaya hindi sila makakasama sa ating. Sabi ko saan pakainin muna. So where are we going now? Tinutulungan ni Jan kasi nagliparan. Thank you, kuya. Kagabi galing tayo dito. Ganito yung tsura niya pag umaga. Galing din tayo dito kagabi. Kung saan kami guys, naglalakad lang kami. Ayan, Nonos Comfort Kitchen and Bakery. Hindi ko alam kung saan kayo pupunta. Lakad-lakad lang. Mall muna daw kasi may init sa labas. Sac entrance. Hi kuya, good morning. Meron silang sunny space na stall dito. Hi. Kasi yung mga kasama ko naman, nakakainis. Iniiwan ako. Nakita ko yung luggage ko dito. Pasok siya dito sa offline. Ito na tayo sa pinakataas ng Uptown Mall. Uptown Mall pala itong pinasukan natin. Pancakes. There's more out downstairs. Baba na tayo. Ito yung pinakadulo na ng Uptown Mall. Medyo mainit doon. Naghanap sila kung saan pwede silang mag-breakfast.
I feel good. I feel good. I feel good, feel good, feel good.
Nanap namin yung Shake Shack. Kaso 15 minutes walk daw. So, dito tayo nag-end sa Nonos Comfort Kitchen and Bakery. Ito na lang. It's alright here, ate. Okay. So, meron silang lemon water. Sabi ni sa lasang chlorine daw yung tubig. Wala raw silang sparkling water. This is good. Waffle bacon or this one. Yeah, there's a lot of choices here. Yeah, that's good too. It's Rani egg. It's good.
What are you getting, Zach?
Gusto niya dessert. Ano yan? Cookies killer. Is it? What do you call that? Cookie skillet. Cookie skillet pala. Ang daming bacon and egg sandwich. So ako, hindi ako nag-order kasi hindi ko alam kung gaano kalaki yung serving nila. Baka hindi nila maubos. Si Kuya nag-change yung mind niya. Ang in-order niya na is, what did you order? Truffle pasta instead of yung una. Kanina kasi ano yun eh. What did you order first, Kuya? Yeah, bacon and cheese. Si Sak, chicken meatballs. Si John, egg and bacon. Si Holly, steak tapa ata yun sa kanya. Tapos yung drinks is milkshake, mango shake, watermelon shake. What drinks did you order? Strawberry shake si Kuya, mango shake. Strawberry shake, mango shake, and iced tea here. Thank you. Sour? With sour.
I can tell by the color of it.
Truffle here.
Truffle cream pasta with me.
Thank you.
Could be.
Excuse me, ate.
Is that tomato ketchup?
Yes.
Tomato? Na banana. Okay, thank you. It smells good, Kuya. That's nice, Rani. We're waiting for you, Holly. No, I didn't order. Masarap, Kuya? How's your chicken, Zach? Good. Thank you. Ate, gusto niyo humingi isang baso. Isang baso daw. Okay, thank you. Oh, that's really hot. Ang init ng plate. Try natin yung chicken ni Zach. Oh, but it's good. Good. Nice. Very juicy. No? Sarap ng chicken. Kinakain ko yung turn ni Zach. Okay. Ayan na yung Pinoy style beef stick ni Holly. Ayan yung steak beef tapa. That's an onion ring. Akala niya calamari. Try, Kuya, it's good. Yeah, but it's not like the onion taste. Try, yeah. Try. And binigyan ako ni Kuya truffle pasta. Si Jan nasarapan siya. Trinay niya na to. Try din natin. You will like this stuff. Si Jan may tirang bacon. So ako rin ang kakain. Parang nag-order na rin tayo niyan. Ang sarap ng pasta. You like it that one, Baba? Gusto mo siya. Dinigit niya dyan. Alright? Ayaw niya yung taste ng chicken. Pero kami ni Jan nasarapan. So para siyang nasusuka. So kinuha ko yung lemon para matanggal lang yung taste nun. Alam niyo naman to si Sak, diba? Ano siya, iba siya. Diba ayaw niya McDonald's chicken sa Australia, diba? So ayaw niya. Una, kinain niya naman. Madami naman ang kain niya. Parang nagsawa. Ayaw niya yung aftertaste. Alright, better? Oh my God, Kuya is having yung beef tapa ni Holly. We're done. Ang sarap ng food dito. Gusto niya magpa-picture dito sa chilling yan. Hindi kasya, Baba. Ang laki ng uptown. Balik na muna tayo sa room. And si Jan baka magpamassage siya. Kasi yung mga bata baka mag-swimming.
Are we going swimming?
I'm not sure. Jan magpapamassage siya. Yung mga bata magsiswimming. Wala yung view dito sa may... Para kayo pumasok sa room namin. Wait, Holly, come on. What a life, kids! Swimming? Okay, get ready.
Yeah?
Now.
Mom, see, that's why over this.
Hurry up. This is the view!
I'm gonna swim, Mom.
Maybe.
Let's
Mag-swimming din ako. Okay, let's go. Kuya, how about you? No.
We're gonna Chelsea.
Alright, let's go. Okay.
Oo, kasi para ibawas mo na tapos pili ko dito.
Okay, go swimming. No pushing, ha? Ano sila?
Painting pictures with my body. There's just something about me. When I get around you, I move so different when you're watching. There's just something about me. When I get around, I save my lips for kissing. Baby, come and listen to the language in my vibe. I don't need words.
Mag-swimming na siya. Nainggit si Kuya. Sabi ko na eh, mag-swimming din to eh.
To show you I wanna get to know you. There's a message for you to find. Read my hips, see me side to side. Read my hips, now they gonna lie. Read my hips, baby, lift your eye. Read my hips, I take.
Yung handa ka na mag-swimming pero naudlot. Tinawag kasi ako ni Kuya nung nakita yung mga bata sa pool. Sabi niya sa akin, naparegister mo na ba siya, ma'am? Ah, hindi. Sabi ko, hindi. Kasi alam ko, doon sa taas, sinabihan na nila ako na may pool pwedeng gamitin. So, akala okay na. So, dito pala, i-register muna sila bago makapag-swim. So, ni-register ko yung tatlo. Tapos, ilalagay ko na yung sana ang aking pangalan. Sabi ni Kuya, ma'am, ikaw, ma'am, kailangan mo na magbayad. Kasi per unit daw, 3 lang daw yung free. Tapos, yung the rest daw may bayad. So, si Jan, pa nag-swimming, may bayad na siya. 300 each.
Eyes don't lie, hearts don't hide, hands can't fight when they know what they both want. I think I know what we both want. Can't control some.
Wala kasi akong wala akong dalang wallet para magbayad. Pero hindi ko rin naman natanong kung pwedeng mamaya ko na lang bayan. Hindi ko na tinanong. Sabi ko, sige, wag na lang mag-swimming. Maligo na lang ako sa taas. Nagsawa din sila. Oo, balik na tayo sa taas. Get the bag sack and your clothes. Nakaligo na yung mga bata. Si Jan, mag-shower na sa sabi niya, mag-swimming daw kayo saglit. Magbayad daw siya ng 600 kasi 300 ang isa. So, magbayad kami. Guys, hindi kami makapag-swimming ni Jan kasi dapat daw bank transfer o kaya GCash. Wala kaming GCash. So, tinawagan ko yung kapatid ko. Kasi yung kapatid ko, wala siya sa mayroon siyang ginagawa. And eto, naiinis na. Sabi niya, ano ba yan? Magsiswimming lang kami. Tapos binibigyan niya ng pera. Sabi, hindi kami nag-a-accept. Ang dala namin cash. Hindi namin alam kung ano ba, bakit ganito. Ayan, oh. Dito pala to sa kabila. Merong, dalawang pool. Tower 1 and Tower 2. Kanina, sa Tower 2 sila nag-swimming. Swimming na kami ni Johnny Boy.
Hi, I just wanted to say good morning, and I wanted to call you before you had to go to work, but I love you so much, and I can't wait to see you tomorrow. Okay, I'll talk to you later. Bye.
First time I met you, didn't have a clue what you mean to me. Best friend from the start, always had my heart, but now it loves you differently. You came in at the right time, baby, you have changed my life. Everything I do, I want you there. And people come and people go, but it don't matter, 'cause I know as long as I have you, then I don't care. Used to look at the stars and wish for someone like you. Now, baby, we've come so far and never had love so true. Try not to get ahead, but you know how I get. Still, I'll wait patiently. I just see you forever in my life, and I see myself wearing white. Baby, don't you think that sounds nice? And I still just don't understand that night when you took my hand. I never fell in love so fast. And what I thought I never could deserve, you gave me 'cause you knew my worth. And I can't thank you enough for that. Used to look at the stars and wish for someone like you. Now, baby, we've come so far and never had love so true.
Hey baby, I just wanted to let you know that I didn't see your text, and I love you. Good night. I love you so much, and I'll see you I'll see you tomorrow, and I'll talk to you in the morning, baby. I love you. Love you. Good night.
Used to look at the stars and wish for someone like you. Now, baby, we've come so far and never had love so true.
50 minutes. Tapos na kami kasi magre-ready pa tayo. Yan guys, ready na kami. Ito yung ating OOTD. And si Holly, tingnan nyo. Tinali niya po yung kanyang t-shirt sa likod. And may approval sa daddy niya. Sabi ko, ikaw na talaga. Tingnan nyo. And ako, and ako yung white na shorts. Then, yung favorite ko to guys, ayan, makikita nyo to, ilang beses nyo na to nakikita dito sa Pinas vlog natin. Yung vest na sleeveless, tapos shorts. Then, ito yung bag natin. Then, yung slippers natin, yung, ano siya, yung espadrille na ito. Ayan. And yung mga boys ready na din. Na-traffic lang yung magpipick up sa atin. Mamaya may meet nyo sila. If makapag-vlog tayo. And basa pa yung buko, tinali ko na. Wala na talaga yung ating ribbon. Kasi tinatali ko talaga siya lagi. And yan. Yung lipstick na gamit ko ay sa may interesado is same. Napakita ko na sa inyo yung Happy Skin Lip Mallow, yung Chai Latte. May SPF 15 pala siya, guys. Ayan siya. May SPF 15. And Yung gamit kong...
Here's the one.
Saan na ba yun? Nandito yata. And Skintific. Bakit nasa bag ko to? Hindi ko yung dadalhin. And yung lip liner. Nag-lip liner ako. Ito yung Glam on the Go. Benta ko rin to, guys. Benta ko. Mayroon available to sa Holly Mom Style. Pagbalik ko. Apat siya, guys. Pero ang nagagamit ko lang dito is yung lip liner. The rest, hindi ko naman nagagamit. Ayan, para siyang pen. Ayan. And ano pa ba? Yun lang. Tapos yung sa buho ko ay yung stick and spray net. Para hindi siya magulo mamaya pag natuyo. So, yan, guys. Ang dala ko ay power bank. Siyempre. Then, wallet. And, of course, the alcohol. And,
Yeah, same with me.
ibibigay ko to mamaya sa kikitain natin yung raisin bread from Baguio. So, yan.
Baguio, not Baguio, Baguio.
Ayan
I
siya.
did my hair, by the way, guys.
Yeah, siya din. Ayaw niya Hoy, turn it down, please. Ayaw niya ako ang gumawa ng book niya. Kailangan niya daw matuto.
Yeah. See, I did my hair. Just need to look at it.
Like if you buy them shoes, hey, Bubs.
Favorite, shoes siya. Rubber shoes. Kasi we'll see kung ano ang ating ganap mamaya.
What do you got that? Why is it
Gusto
not
ko sana
rolling your
itong
bum, Bubba?
chinelas. Ito sana
That's
itong
the skate, I
chinelas.
think.
Oh. Kaso, kanina ito yung gamit ko.
Come here.
Sabi ni Jan,
You don't
ito
put
na
it
lang
right
para
on the top,
neutral.
right in the middle.
Ayan.
What?
Same sa
That's
kasuotan
right.
natin. Sinintay na lang natin sila. Nata-traffic lang
It was
sila.
right there, right
Galing pa
there,
silang
bum.
Paranaque,
Yeah,
guys.
it's on
No, that
Sila yung
Yeah,
nagpa-book kung saan tayo kakain mamaya.
Looks good.
What's that?
the side. What is that?
It's old.
It's alright.
Yung
Sure,
patch
that looks
for
good.
mosquito. Ayaw niya kasi hindi raw bagay sa kanyang outfit. Yung mosquito patch. Arte niya na.
Ah, it's pissing down.
Ah, it's raining.
Yeah.
My hands too.
You just hold it like that.
Okay, let's go, let's go.
Dad.
Baba na kami. Ang daming sinelas.
Look, the key.
Why the key? Okay, just sit down here for now, Baba. Naghihintay pa rin kami. Si Jan parang naboboard na siya. Kasi kanina pa kami ready. Bago 5:30 ready na ang lahat. Anong oras na? 6 o'clock na. Ayan, 6.
6 o'clock.
Exactong 6. Ayan yung nagsundo sa amin, sila Bianca. And then si Ann. Kapatid mo si Bianca, di ba? Dito kami sa Texas Roadhouse. Okay? This one, go try. Ah, Sak will love this. Is it boiled? Ah, dry. Ah, okay. Ang table natin. Yeah? It's cheesy, ano. Oh, you know, Jan, you choose this restaurant. Fine, Beb, the London. Thank you. Mango strawberry. Royal. Biang, I'm gonna vlog you. Is that alright? Pag-vlog ka kaya. The glass. Tapos may
Reaching for a North Star. Waiting just to wake up on this nightmare where you could be right back in my arms, dancing to the limbo, stuck here in the middle. You tell me that it's simple, but I could paint 1,000 different pictures of what is wrong. But if we turn the clocks back a couple dials, we should throw them out, because time ain't ours, oh, but you fill me up.
Tia Baba.
If you come to Australia, I'll cook. You can eat as much lobster as you can.
Oh, diba?
Yeah, I love lobsters.
Lobster, meat.
Even eat lobster here just for us.
Winter is lush, green.
Go there in the middle. Yes, di ba, ate?
Can you do forward because the line is
Yeah.
Can you scoot forward?
Holly.
Just bend forward.
Like that.
Bend forward. Okay.
Yeah, that's better. Ano, mag-anak. Wala kami ng time zone, umuulan. So, ano lang si Kit. Unahin nila, mother of three na si Pat. Zone. Time zone ng kids.
I can tell that you can't focus. You haven't been yourself in a minute. And I know that your mom's been sick. It's been a while since we talked about it. I don't know how to ask if you're okay, but you should know at the end of the day, when you don't know how to be strong, you can't lean on me. I'll be your rock at the bottom. You don't have to be cool, 'cause I see through it. If your world is feeling heavy, I can carry it too. Let me be a friend. Let me be a friend to you. Because you listened when my heart got broke. Remember, you were there to help me cope. So you don't gotta go through this alone.
Very good.
Oh, I got your back, I'll always be your home. If you're
Alright.
lonely, you can call me.
My God.
You
One
don't know
more.
how
One
to
more. Alright.
be strong. You can't lean on me. I'll be your rock at the bottom. You don't have to be cool, 'cause I see through it. If your world is feeling heavy, I can carry it too. Let me be a friend. Let me be a friend to you. Don't bottle it up, don't bottle it up.
Rosa! Hindi niya alam kung saan galing yung ball. Nakulat siya. Go, Doc! Gali! One at a time! Hindi mo. Pwede na siya. Ano siya? Ayan na.
Feeling heavy, I can carry it too. Let me be a friend. Let me be a friend to you. Let me be a friend. Let me be a friend. Let me be a friend.
Shopping? Kid! Ikaw na talaga nag-shopping. Ah, that's nice. Tapos na kayo mag-time zone. Dito naman tayo sa St. Louis. Thank you. Pistachio. Ah, Ferrero ka? Gusto mo? It's yours. What's this? Nutella? Dulce de leche? What's that one? Peas? Wow! Ano sa'yo? Oh, pareha lang kayo. Parang yung ice cream, ano lang. Ice cream Kaya sabi ko sa kanya, punta tayo sa car nila. Nakabalik na kami dito sa bahay, guys. Dito na tayo. And thank you so much, Bianca, Bea, Patricia, and Keith. Hindi niya kami pinabayad sa dinner. Hindi nila ginawa yung offer ni Jan. Thank you so much. And hope to see you soon again, right?
Yeah.
You wanna see Ate Bianca, Ate Patricia, and who else? Who else?
I thought you meant
Ate Bea and Ate Bianca. What's that, Baba?
I thought you meant the other Ati Patricia.
So yeah, thank you again, girls. Thank you. Hope to see you one day sa Australia. Okay. Iyan na namin yung vlog. Si Sak. Grabe si Sak. Are you already? Ayan, uminom na siya ng gamot.
Yan!
Yan. Okay, guys. Thank you. Please like, please subscribe if you haven't yet. See you on our next vlog. Good night, guys.
I feel good. I feel good. I feel good, feel good, feel good. I feel good, feel good. Brand new orbit is where I wanna stay. Ghosts of my past don't seem all that close now. Don't even know how. All I know. Yeah, I got problems. Ain't gotta solve them. Right now I'm awesome. All I know.